Hello everyone, welcome back to Iron's Little Bit of Everything. After exploring the beautiful islands of Burano and Murano, we are here back in Venice. Now it's time to relax and enjoy a delicious lunch. We found a charming little restaurant right by the canal where we could sit back, unwind, and enjoy the view. Everyone is enjoying their meal. Ayan is happily munching away. Post lunch, we took a little stroll to soak in the atmosphere. And Ayan is breaking into some of his Ayan style moves, which let's say a mix of quirky and energetic. We decided to have a classic gondola ride and made our way towards one of the gondola stations. We are stepping into the gondola. As we settle in, the boat gently rocks. We all were so excited for the ride. It's going to be 1 hour long. It's peaceful, quiet, and you can see the part of city you just can't reach on foot. The view from the gondola is absolutely amazing. On both sides, there are these beautiful old buildings, some with flower pots on the window and some with balconies that almost hanging over the water. The water is calm and everything reflects in it like a painting. It's so cool how the buildings are right on the water. We floated through tiny canals, under bridges, and even saw some secret little courtyards. You can see the little bridges connecting above us, and sometimes people wave from them. Ayan was very happy and excited. The water, the bridges, the buildings, it was like floating through real life fairy tale. Look at the sky, you guys. It's sunset and it's so beautiful. The whole canal turned golden, the buildings were glowing, and the water shimmered like melted gold. This gondola ride was so amazing. If you ever in Venice, gondola ride is a must. You just can't leave without doing it. After the gondola, we took a taxi boat and reached the heart of Venice, St. Mark's Square. It is the bell tower of Venice and it's so tall you can see it from all over the city. The St. Mark's Square is very famous and is huge and is surrounded by amazing old buildings. There were street musicians playing, people sitting at little cute cafes. It was busy but kind of peaceful at the same time. And that's a wrap of our day here in Venice. From the gondola ride to the magical St. Mark Square, it's been an unforgettable adventure.
We are leaving Venice and going to Florence.
Next day morning, we all packed up and are heading to train station because we are off to Florence. It's a little sad that we are leaving Venice, but also pumped up for Florence. Now it's time to catch the train. It's just a short trip, 2 hours ride. Alright guys, next stop is Florence. Stay tuned because it's going to be another awesome adventure. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Iron's little bit of everything. See you in another video.